What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we got a 1967 crew cab Nova. That's a 4-door Nova sitting here. A little bit of a performance package, believed to be 327 with aluminum heads, aluminum radiator. So it should scoot on down the road. It felt a little peppy when I pulled it up. What we're gonna do here is do a little test drive, take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws. When I get back, we're gonna do a walk around video talking about any flaws on the inside, outside trunk, and underneath. I will give you a full description on this car so that you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. We're located in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check us out, maplemotors.com. It's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Don't mind hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. Kind of peek around the interior. Does have digital gauges, tack on the dash, the radio, B&M shifter. I noticed you got to turn the key 2 or 3 times and it'll finally start. Maybe a solenoid acting up, but it always starts up. So the gauges aren't doing that. That is my camera making them scroll like that. They're actually solid in person. Got a nice Hurst shifter in the floor. Blower motor's working. There's no AC on this, so you should have heat. Let's see which one of these is the wipers. Probably gonna be this one here. Little knob came off. Let's see. There we go. Wipers work. Do a little game up here at Maple Motors. 50% of the horns work. We're gonna try this horn. This is an aftermarket steering wheel. Go ahead and place your bets. Here we go. Solid as a rock. No horn on this one. Let's take off down the road. Getting ready to take off here, head on down the road. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws that I can see. Our little seat belt is not gonna work. Have to run that back through. It just come off. We got multiple seat belts going on in here. These are definitely aftermarket seats. Come out of something else. I'm not quite sure what they came out of. I don't recognize that. But we're gonna go down the road. Anything that I see, I will point out. It does have a tilt column in here. Mainly cloth seats, aftermarket shifter, like a line lock button. I wonder if it works. It's not hooked up. I guess that button's not hooked up to nothing. Should be a little quick car though. But we're gonna find out. Gas gauge is not working on this, so we're gonna stop and put a little fuel in it. I don't want to run out. It's all digital, so RPMs are coming up. Speedo's not working on here. Voltmeter's working. Water temperature's working. Your oil pressure's at 50. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you see. Turns there, turns there. Does have a good amount of power in it. I do not think the kickdown's hooked up. Brakes feel decent. Water temperature's at 170. Oil pressure's at 40. Very nice and smooth. I'm gonna pull in the gas station here. I'll throw about $20 worth of premium gas in it because I don't know what the gas amount is. It's just showing 0 on the dash. It does not work. They didn't hook that up. Looks like somebody started on this car, did a lot of good stuff, just didn't finish with every little detail. All right, we're gonna get some gas. Up here at the gas station, you'll slide about $20 worth of fuel in this car. That way I don't run out since the gas gauge don't work. It does have the old style gas tank under the car. You fill it up right here. To roll down this passenger window and it's not coming down. I think somebody wedged it up, which I didn't know that, but it's definitely gonna need some work on the passenger window. I'm gonna take off down the road. I guess it's gonna be a hot ride. Stick y'all up in the driver's seat here and we'll take off. I did use my vent windows. We're gonna open both of them, hopefully get some air circulating. I had to roll up my driver's window, stick y'all on there. No power steering on this one. We've been doing all kinds of outside shots, videoing. It got up to 191 and, well, it was 192. It's starting to drop as we're taking off. Really, it's a decent driving car. Suspension feels pretty good. Got plenty of throttle behind it. Turn on this road here. We got a pretty big speed bump in the middle of the road. We kind of hit it in moderate speed. Test all the suspensions. It's a decent idea for these videos, kind of give you an idea of how rough it actually rides. Kind of go slow. There's some little girls over here off the side of the road, so it's right here. You can see it's, if I was gonna rate it, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10 on suspension. So it's not bad at all. I'm not flying up out of my seat. Turn signal wise, it's not popping up on the dash. I'm not even getting a sound for it. No clicking, nothing. So I'll have to get out of the car and check all that out to see if that's working. Go ahead, pull back in the lot here. Guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you have any other questions, please visit maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures in our website there. You can also get financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. So definitely check that out. I post videos every single day. Hit that subscribe button. We got a whole classic car lot full of muscle cars up here. And I know we just bought, I think 7 or 8 new cars in the last 2 days. They're on their way. They're not here yet. We update our website every Monday. Be sure to check that website. Make sure our inventory is still available. because I put all these videos on YouTube. There's over almost 1,200 videos on YouTube now. So don't get mixed up. I marked sold on all the ones that are not available anymore. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.